Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to log out of Telegram remotely from any device, whether it's a browser, a desktop app, or another phone or tablet. This is especially useful if you logged in somewhere and forgot to log out, or if you think your account might be open on another device. Let's walk through the steps together. First, grab your smartphone where you're already logged in to your Telegram account. Open the Telegram app on your Android or iPhone. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner on Android and go to Settings. Scroll down, tap on Devices. This section shows you all the devices where your Telegram account is currently active, including web browsers, PCs, tablets, and more. Each session will show the device type, location, and login time so you can easily identify where you're logged in. If you see a device or browser you don't recognize, or you just want to sign out of it, tap on the session you want to end. Then tap Terminate Session, and click Terminate again. The selected device will be instantly logged out of your Telegram account. If you want to log out of all devices except your current phone, you can do it in one tap. Tap Terminate all other sessions. Confirm your action when prompted. This will log you out from all browsers, PCs, and other phones or tablets, except the device you're currently using. To prevent unauthorized logins in the future, go back to Settings greater than Privacy and Security. Tap on two-step verification and set a password. Enter an active email address, click Send. Then see the verification code in the email. Then paste it in the box and send. This adds an extra layer of protection to your Telegram account, and that's it. You've now learned how to log out of Telegram remotely using just your phone. This feature is great for security, especially if you accidentally left your account open on a public or shared device. If this tutorial was helpful, give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next guide.